hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome to my channel for those who are new. So today we're going to talk about my new addition to our family. My hubby got this for our wedding anniversary recently, and it is the Dooney & Bourke large Camden Hobo in the color Chestnut. Y'all might have remembered that he had gotten me last year the large Emily shoulder bag, which I may insert a clip. I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison, but before I do that, the reason why I had these two Traveler's Notebooks in here is because I wanted to compare the color. For those that love Chic Sparrow and also love Dooney & Bourke, I noticed that some of y'all like both companies just as I do. So I think that's wonderful. Here's the creme leather in the color chocolate. So it's kind of similar to that color, but it's in between this and the Austin leather in the Drummond. So this one's kind of like a burgundy color. To me, the Dooney & Bourke Chestnut has a little bit of a reddish undertone. So it's kind of in between these two colors. Anyway. Okay, so let me move them out of the way. And this bag, oh my goodness, she is beautiful. I usually have my earbuds up here, but I took it off so that I can show y'all in her splendor. When I got her, she already had a scratch here. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't see it. You can barely see any scratches on her, but I've made some scratches on her already. A lot over here. Because just like the Florentine satchel, where it has a smile, this does it too. Like, it's supposed to smile like this, a big smile. And unlike the pebble grain that I have of this one, it doesn't have the thin strap. It just comes with the thick strap. Which I really am shocked, because I've taken her shopping last weekend and the weekend prior, because I've been in her now for 10 days. I know, that's a long time, but this week is supposed to be raining a lot, so I have to move out of her. As y'all know, I don't like my Florentines in rain. So I'm not going to go into detail with this bag, because if y'all want details, I'm going to link my original video of my large hobo in pebble green white. So y'all can look at the dimensions and all of that on the description. So this is more just, oh, how beautiful this Florentine is. I tell ya, I stayed away from Florentine for a while, but as soon as I tried Florentine, I don't know, it's like you just want to get more and more. Yeah, this bag, I can, like, it's just, her leather, even though if it's not like super smooth as my large Florentine satchel, is what Dooney & Bourke calls it now. It was called the medium. I still think it's a medium. It doesn't seem big to me. But anyway, those who like big bags. She's got a little pebbling over here, and that's all that I can tell on the front of her. This is the only side that's really pebbled. Or I should say textured. I really don't like calling Florentine pebbled, because pebbled leather is made a different way. So right here, if y'all can see this side, that one's really textured. And then on the back side, the textured area is right here on the right side. And then it kind of smoothens out on the bottom. And then it's smooth over here. And then it's smooth over here. Usually with the Dooney & Bourke Florentine bags, the hardware is brushed gold. It's not the shiny gold like in the pebble grain leather. Before I open this bag, I always anticipate the smoothness of this zipper. Do y'all hear that? It's so smooth. Oh my goodness, I could just sit here all day. Okay, I'm not going to irritate y'all anymore. But for those who love handbags, y'all know a smooth zipper can change everything. Okay, so there's not a whole lot of reviews on this particular bag, but the few that are out there, some reviewers didn't like that this Florentine version of this bag doesn't have the suede lining on it. I don't mind. either way, I love it so much that I don't care. I mean, it would have been, sure, okay, it would have been a nice touch, because, granted, let me just, hold on. I had this bag out because I had swapped into, well, I didn't really swap, but during my errand runs during the weekend, I brought my little bag. Y'all probably saw this bag. I did an unboxing. The front pocket crossbody. So, you see how it has the suede lining? Yeah. On this little bag. Come on. This right here, I think this normally retails for almost $500. Let me put this away first. Hold on. Okay, so as I said, where was I? So it doesn't bother me. It's still beautiful without it. And I seriously don't know why they didn't put it on there. I was actually surprised that it wasn't that heavy. I was at Hobby Lobby, I was at TJ Maxx, I was at Target, and I probably would spend maybe 30 minutes a piece in those stores, and it wasn't that heavy. I know in Hobby Lobby I think I might have spent a good 45 minutes in there, and it was not heavy. But what I think is light is probably extremely heavy for some. The reason why I think this is light is because there's no other hardware except the hardware for the straps and the feet, and that's it. That's the only hardware it has, so I think that's the reason why it's light. Let me show you what's in this bag. She is packed. What I have in the inside pocket, I have my mask. Oh, I bought this little card case and my coin pouch because if I know that we'll be walking around for a long period of time, I just had it in the trunk and I just switched it out. Okay. I still have my gift cards. I really need to use these gift cards. This is from Christmas already. So I have my eyeglass cleaner, my manicure case, my lotion. Normally I keep it in this pocket on the front, so I'll move that. My Kleenex, my compact, and that's in the slip pocket. And then on the other side, I have my eyeglass case, my lippies, my clipper, and my lotion. And in the small pocket I have my hand sanitizer. And then in the main compartment I have my prescription sunglasses from Fendi, which I'm not going to need this because it's going to be raining. And then I have this is my guitar strap. So just in case I wanted to wear it as a crossbody, but in those 10 days that I've had this in here, I haven't used it because it's been so comfortable on my shoulders. So that was just added weight when I could have just taken it out. Then I have my refillable wipes, my emergency case, my Mr. Darcy. I need to do another flip on this because I've added more things in it. Yeah, it's super chunky. Love him. And then this, you ladies know what this is. Anybody who loves Target and handbags. It's a Ruby and Cash catch-all pouch. Hello, beautiful. Well, hello. I thought this was really cute. It's got like a ribbon. And same old stuff. Well, actually, no, I got this from Ulta, where they sell like makeup and stuff like that. I just thought it was funny when I passed by it. It says, "Don't cramp my style," and it's supposed to be for your tampons. Oh my gosh, I was cracking up. I'm like, I gotta get it. And then I have my face cream, my hair brush, and all the stuff that you guys are familiar with me having. I'm not going to go into that. I'm going to have my keys, And then I have my Continental wallet from Dooney and Bourke. I'm sure y'all are familiar with this. This has like card slots in the middle, and then to the left you can put receipts, and then to the right you can put cash. And then on the back you have a place to put your coins. I love these big wallets because I just can fit so much in it. Lastly, I have my iPhone 6S, which this thing is a huge pocket. It's huge. My whole hand can fit in there. Yeah, it goes all the way. Ooh, it goes all the way to the bottom. It goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. Right here. And it's huge. Yep, love it. Okay, so I wanted to do a comparison between my large shoulder bag, Emily Florentine. This one's a little bit lighter. So as you can see, these are both chestnut, but they have a different shading. So with the Florentine, the way it's dyed, it's vegetable dyed with like berries and all natural dyes. So you're gonna get variations in the dyes. Okay, the reason why I wanted to do a comparison between these two, because they're both named large. That's the title of their name. This is the large Camden Hobo, and this is the large Emily shoulder bag. And y'all saw the what fits in my bag video on this. I'll link it in the description below, but this does not carry a lot. I consider this a small, it really is. To me, it's a small bag. I thought that it was a large bag because of course it has the title large, which if you ask me, I think the large satchel should be put back as a medium bag, and this one cross out the large and make it a small. That's just me. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to show you everything that I had in that bag. I'm going to show you if it fits in this bag. I guarantee it won't. But the beauty about this bag, oh my goodness, it has that glove leather interior. So wonderful. It feels, oh. Anyone who loves leather can appreciate this. And of course it has the suede lining, because it's a Florentine bag, which is indicated right here. It says genuine Florentine vachetta leather. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I stand corrected. It fits, but in a very tight squeeze. And I don't like stretching out my bags like this. See, she's stretched out. And my stuff is stacked. This wouldn't be functional for me because if I'm carrying it on my shoulder and I need to look for something, I want my phone in a spot that it's not like flopping all over the place, because all of these pockets are already like full and jam-packed. So I like everything to have its place, but also I want to be able to grab things without having to work hard for them. Like this is really tight in here. Like super tight, and I don't like that. I don't like stretch. I don't want to stretch out my leather bags. I don't. That's that, y'all. I'm not going to film taking it out of this bag. See, like for instance, if I was in a rush and I wanted to, you know, like after I got my stuff and I had to put it back in, I don't want to have to deal with this right here where I'm trying to, yeah, no. I mean, I know some people like don't worry about locking their bags, but tell me what you think. This bugs me. If If it's not closed, I don't like this. I don't know, it just bugs me if it's not closed. You know, putting it in like that, no, that bugs me. It's sticking out like this, it's just weird. Alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful bag. I know I absolutely do. I don't really want to move out of her, but you know, I have to. I guess soon I can do like my favorites in my collection. It's always hard to move out of a bag that you really enjoy. I'm sure you ladies understand. I really appreciate you all being very patient with me posting, and everyone for sticking around. I really appreciate y'all so very much. All of those who support my channel. And if you haven't subbed already, please consider it. It does help my channel grow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.